I'm Marianne and welcome to Wellness This Way, where we believe healthy doesn't need to be a hassle. And we hope to inspire you with the latest research, resources, and recipes to help you on your health journey. And today our focus is on salmon. But before we get to that recipe, why do you want to eat salmon? Let's find out. For this recipe, you'll want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. For the ingredients, you'll need a tablespoon of red pepper jelly per salmon fillet and your salmon fillets. Place the salmon on the prepared baking sheet and top each fillet with 1 tablespoon of the red pepper jelly and spread into an even layer. Then season with salt and pepper and roast for about 12 to 15 minutes. And that's it. I have paired the salmon with some arugula salad and blueberry vinaigrette. You can find this recipe on my website, wellnessthisway.com. This is a super simple recipe, and the reason you want to make this recipe is because salmon is so very good for you. Enjoy. So whatever health journey you're on, whether you're trying to maintain health, you're fighting a disease, or you just want to get healthy, remember that it's all about maintaining your health, not adding years to your life. The years of your life are numbered by God. We can do nothing about that. But we can maintain our health and receive a good quality of life in doing that. So today, if you've been inspired by this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. Hit that bell icon for future notifications. See you next time.